In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google AdSense to your Wix site. Let's dive right in and ensure you're ready to start earning through Google AdSense on your Wix website. Before we jump to the more hands-on steps, let's make sure we have our basics in place. First, it's important to ensure your Wix site is published and connected to a custom domain. This means you can't just be using a Wix subdomain if you're looking to integrate Google AdSense. This is crucial because Wix requires your site to be on a custom domain in order to access AdSense capabilities. Now, let's talk plans. Your site should be on a premium or studio plan if you're thinking about monetization. Typically, these monetization features need a paid plan, so make sure you're not running on a free Wix version. Having the right plan not only makes your site look professional, but also ensures you have all the necessary tools to support monetization through AdSense. Moving on, we need to access the Wix editor or studio, depending on which version of Wix you're using. Once you're there, focus your attention on the Wix App Market. This is an essential resource for adding additional features and functionalities to your website. In the search bar, we're going to type in Wix Monetize with AdSense. This is the specific app that will allow you to easily integrate AdSense into your Wix site. Once you've searched for and located the app, it's time to add it to your site. You'll see an option that says Add to Site. Click on that, and just like that, you're on your way to incorporating Google AdSense. Adding this app is a key step, as it bridges your Wix site with Google's advertising platform, allowing you to monetize your content seamlessly. To wrap up, make sure all these steps are completed and verified. Once you have integrated the app, you are well set to begin the process of displaying relevant ads on your website and starting to earn revenue. It might seem simple, but these steps pave the way for turning your website into a new revenue stream. Remember, engaging content is key, so keep your site fresh and valuable to your audience, and your advertising efforts will be most effective. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more informative content, and feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. See you in the next video.